Do you have tornado? You can start fishing here at this corner. All of our tornadoers. Just start fishing. Don't waste your cast. If it looks good, cast it. If not, you can stall it. Alright, I need 2 tornadoers up here. We're gonna start pushing these guys. Who's my second tornado? It's Stick John and New. Adwin?
And
What's
myth,
up?
and myth.
Okay, Adwin, start tornadoing the left side. Small John tornado the right side on count, and we'll try to push this.
Okay. 7 seconds.
Adwin, where you at?
I'm coming up on him.
Okay. Alright, go ahead and send it. Where the fuck is Adwin?
Here it comes.
You gonna cast that one or?
Yeah.
I literally got 6 MP before I can cast it again.
Okay, start walking down, guys. Start walking down.
On the flag, boys. Hit the
Yeah,
flag.
it's fine. Leave it. Back up. They're too far. Yeah, we're gonna back up a bit, guys, so stop getting free damage. Everyone back up southwest. Let's get healed up. They don't have any back hit yet, so we're not on a timer. Make sure they're not getting free damage. If they turn that corner, push them hard. I'm hiding pets.
This is pretty crazy.
Yeah.
They will run out of mana eventually.
Okay.
I got one right in the middle of them.
Yeah,
Okay.
you did.
Okay, let's walk this guy. Hey, push this, guys. This is good. We're gonna punish the right side here, alright? We're walking up. Keep coming. We're gonna punish the right side hard here, alright? Alright, let's go push. Right side.
Alright.
Just a small push.
Tornado left side.
Okay. Alright, S walk back to the choke, guys. S walk back to the choke here. Punch the ones in the back. Punch the ones in the south corner of the room. South corner. Make sure our mages are playing fine and punish south corner, guys. These guys are way too deep here.
We got a Darrow from somebody.
Okay.
Fine, don't call it. Just kill
Okay,
it.
everyone S walking east up the stairs. Hey guys, get in the choke, east up the stairs. We're gonna start dumping all surges. S walk east, S walk. Fight it out. We're S walking east, guys, in the choke. If you guys are in the room, you're in the wrong spot.
Ravine, your horse is following you. Get it out.
We're in the choke, guys. We're in the fight.
Has it attacking me somehow?
Everyone get stam here, get stam in the choke. We're holding the choke. Hit the guys in the front. We're gonna walk. Hey, this is big ostrich value, northwest. We're gonna start ostriching in 3, 2, 1. We're ostriching northwest. We're gonna push northwest in 3, 2. Footies, big push. We're going northwest. We're killing pets and we're killing mages. They're low, guys. They're all
Hey,
low. They're all
Shredder's
low.
a quarter. Shredder's a quarter. He's half. He's dead.
Okay.
Shredder's dead. They got a mobile on me.
Yeah, we're still pushing, guys. We're still pushing to the choke. Stay high HP. Play high HP. We're fighting at the entrance of the choke. We're fighting at the entrance of the next choke, guys. Hey, kill pets in us. Everyone kill pets. Entrance to the choke. Kill pets. We're stabilized here. Entrance to the next choke. We're killing every pet. Get stam. Get healed, guys. We're holding here. We're gonna start ostriching the choke again. In 5, 4, 3, 2. Dump boss surges down the choke. Dump boss surges and kill the footies in us. Dump boss surges, kill the footy in us, and walk through, guys. Keep walking through. We're pushing here again. We're pushing. On their mages. Their mages are all close. Everyone, walk straight to the mages. They're all in melee range. Walk to their mages. We're in their mage line. We're killing them all here. It's a full wipe. Full wipe. All the way through. Make sure pets are not free damaging. If any pets are on us, kill pets. Just clean it up. You run through, guys. Run through.
I can't fucking see this fucking thing.
If you need heals, come to the next choke. Alright, push through, you're good. Clean it up.
Get the fuck out of the
Yeah,
way.
it was pretty fucking.
It was still fucking easy.
There's still like 15 alive.
Are they all running?
Yeah, they're all running. Guys, keep pushing.
Okay, keep straight.
Like, maybe one person's in the back and just control a loop, but stop.
Yeah, I mean, we should be fine. I don't think anyone else came in behind us. Yeah, if you're not in melee, you're like in range of the 15, just start looting, I guess. Hopefully,
The horse's name fuck content.
Yeah, make sure you kill pets. You guys kill pets so they don't disappear. Yeah, horses and shit.
All their like little ragged gear shitters running.
Yeah, if you can catch, you go for it, but just call it whenever.
We get Wool, Dauntless, fucking round shield axe retard.
Let me get a good hit of that miasma.
Ravine, don't go too deep. They have a lot of mages back there. You're alone, kinda.
Gotcha.
Yeah, if you can't catch Azog, it's fine.
Oh my
We
God,
can always
just
take the
cracked.
shit.
You
Figure
guys,
out.
a lot of mage mats over here. For all
Yeah,
you
okay.
mages that have elementalism and stuff.
Fucking integrity, man.
I'm just whiffing with this fucking club, dude.
Nice fight, guys.
Really
Ravine, I
exquisite.
wouldn't chase those 5 shitters.
That was way easier than I thought.
Same.
There's 3 mages still running.
Anyone need res? Do we have reses?
Did any of us die?
Holy fuck! Flawless victory.
Mhm.
20, like 25 versus 35 plus 8 bets.
Fuck
Holy
yeah,
fuck, guys.
dude.
Nice fight. Nice fight.
Good fight, everybody.
Yeah, good job.
I mean, I got low.